Hello friends, welcome to Rainbow India First. This channel is especially for art lovers who love art more and for more creativity lovers. Friends, you have watched many channels on art related content, but this channel is different. In these channels we will study from beginning to end. Friends, art has been defined in many definitions and words by the masters over the year. But still we get to come across a completely different and unknown form of art. Being a good artist is a natural talent, obviously supported by a lots of hard work. But we are trying to make an attempt to create interest in students in creative activities by giving them valuable and enjoyable education so that they can develop their brain at early stage and can pursue a good career in arts. So friends, today we will study about still life. First question will come on mind. What is still life? A still life is a picture of object that does not move. Still life has also include the study of effects of light on a particular object and its behavior with it. Friends, you can observe in this image a circle, a cylinder and a cuboid is present, and the right side is shaded area and the left side is light area because the sun rays is coming from the left side. So friends, चलिए करते हैं start. I am making the circle with the help of compass. You can also use observation method, but observation method is not accurate in still life, so I am using a compass and I scale. You can see. Friends, finally image is complete and now it's time to shading. Friends, pencils you have to need. I'm using you can use any brand of pencil, but keep in your mind pencil shading is light and this is Apsara H grade pencil, and now it's 2B pencil. These three pencils I will use in making the sketch. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।